Alright guys, welcome to this new video. I hope everyone's doing well today. So today we're gonna do the draw for the winner for the TRD stickers. So that's all the participants, so you guys can see your names. I'm not doing anything weird or cheating or picking someone I like or whatever. So I really want to make sure that you guys can see that I'm doing this in a fair process. So as you guys can see, we had 5 names earlier and we still have 5, so 1 2 3 4 5. So let's see what happens, and we're gonna pick someone, and hopefully hopefully you end up winning. Alright guys, so all 5 names are in here. 1 2 3 4 5. I'm gonna pick a name. Before I pick it, I want to say thank you for everyone for participating in this little activity. I want to say thank you to each one of you guys that keep watching my video and supporting the channel. It really means a lot to you guys. You guys are really the best. And I just got my car actually today. I'm excited. We're gonna be making videos, how-tos. I really want to show you guys my new paint, because I got it late last year in October, November, so I had to store it real quick. So yeah, it wasn't possible or feasible for me to show you guys the paint. So now we're gonna go ahead with the draw. I'm gonna pick someone. I think I'm gonna do one winner. If whoever wins doesn't respond, I'll probably go ahead back and pick someone else. So let's do it, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm gonna bend my head down, make sure I'm not cheating. I'm also gonna put one of my hands on my eyes so you guys can see I'm legit. I'm not picking someone I know or whatever. And time to pick. So that's our first winner, and congratulations. You have won the stickers. I hope you enjoy. Your name is right here, Biller. It's all for you. I hope you enjoy the gift I give you, and again, keep supporting the channel. It really means a lot that you keep watching and being active with the channel and stuff. Thank you so much. So I want to say thank you to everyone for watching this video. Congratulations again, Biller, for your win. That's a W for you, man. I hope you enjoy the stickers, TRD stickers. I don't know what kind of car you drive, so let me know below what kind of car you have, and I'll be happy to send you these stickers. And yeah, so thank you everyone for participating again. I hope you guys have a good day, and congrats again, Billy, for the W. And as you guys know, as always, in speed we trust.
We about to turn it on.